Hi, and thank you for watching us here at Tax Talk UK, where we talk about all things tax and help you to navigate the tax system as it applies to you and your circumstances. Today, I'm going to talk about VAT entities and when the different entities impacts the registration of another. And before I do, if I could just please ask, if you're new here, please do take a moment to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll be able to easily keep up to date with information as we post it. And you'll also be able to navigate back to this information should you need to in the future. So back then to VAT entities. So a couple of questions that we've been asked recently surrounding this. The scenario being a sole trader who is VAT registered, but then is undertaking a different business, but also as a sole trader, and what are the implications for VAT? So the simple answer for this is that VAT registration falls across all of the activities of that entity. So, for example, a limited company, as we know, is creating a separate legal entity. So, if you're trading as a limited company and you are VAT registered, then that VAT registration covers all of the operations of that limited company. Now, a partnership isn't a separate legal entity, especially for that purpose, but in the terms of VAT entities, it is considered a separate VAT entity. So if you are trading as a partnership and that partnership is registered for VAT, then and then you also have a sole trader endeavour that's completely separate, then the VAT registration wouldn't apply for that. But if you are a sole trader, of course, then you and the business are the same entity. So therefore, your VAT registration would cover all operations as a sole trader, and that wouldn't be any different if it was a different business that you were trading as. If the same person registered as a sole trader is carrying out two completely separate businesses, but registers for VAT, then all of those operations will be covered by the VAT registration. Now, the purpose of this information is for people that have separate businesses. Of course, if you are looking to separate your operations for the purposes of avoiding meeting the VAT threshold, for example, then that is what is known as VAT disaggregation, and that is not allowed, and that you know that is not something that you can do. The purposes of the information is for people that genuinely have completely separate operations and have asked how the VAT is covered in that. So hopefully that helps. And as I mentioned earlier, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please take a moment to do that. If the information's helpful, then please do like the video, because that helps us to gauge what topics are useful and what level of detail. Obviously, if there's any questions, do feel free to pop them in the comments and we will answer those for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.